Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing my update to the Partners in Cream project pan, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright you guys, so it is time for an update for Partners in Cream. I'm filming this on March 10th at like 5:30 p.m. So I'm probably just gonna try to edit and upload this and then have it go live on when you're watching this, the 11th. Hopefully. If not, I'll cut this part out. As you probably already know, this was a project created by Steph and DaLin. I will link their channels down below as well as all the information you need to know about this project, the rules, Steph and DaLin's channels, just the hashtag, everything will be down below, but we are panning cream products, around 3 to 6 items, creams, liquids, mousses, super shocks, whatever is not a powder, and we are trying to pan them with different goals. And let's get into my update. It's an update. Not the most exciting one because if you have seen my other updates, my intro, I am primarily focusing on long haul products, but I do have a more rotational item that will hopefully at least keep it a little bit interesting. So let's start out with one of the more disappointing items, and that is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. I've only used this 5 times in the last month, however, that's kind of on purpose. In another project pan, I had rolled in my Urban Decay All Nighter face primer. This is the Ultra Glow version. I had previously tried the just like original All Nighter primer, and this is a completely different texture. It's very similar to the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, and so I'm working on like two of the same textured primers at the same time. So because this one's only a usage goal for the Urban Decay one, I've been just focusing on this one, and then once I hit my usage goal for that, I'm going to switch over to the Hydro Grip, and this is a finish goal. So next up we have a very exciting one. This is my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. I have the shade Satine 5. I used this 17 times in the last month. These are my markings. As you can see, it appears we have quite a bit of progress compared to the previous month, or a little bit more than this month. I actually think these lines were a bit off. I think I was further along because I was just marking it where I settled it, but I noticed the product is starting to sputter out. I'm having a hard time getting, you know, usually I would use like a pump and a half. Now I have to pump like, I don't know, 4 or 5 times to get the amount of product I need. It's just coming out in smaller amounts. And I opened the pump up, and it just looks like I'm very close to the bottom, which is very, very exciting. I feel like I'm gonna have to start pouring it out of the bottle onto my hand or sponge or whatever I'm using. So this is definitely likely going to be an empty. I probably will not like scrape the sides. This is a very thin foundation. I just feel like it's going to be more trouble than it's worth. I will probably just start to, you know, pour some out when it stops pumping, and then when I can't get anything else, I will call it done. Love this foundation. It's great. Excited to finish it, hopefully in the next month. Then we've got my Lip Bar Concealer. This is in the shade Ivory, and this I used 18 times. So I used this quite a bit as well, and again, I look in and there's like nothing left, but a little bit does come up on the wand. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to use this until I can't scrape anything off of the sides. Maybe a few more months. I don't know. I feel like concealers take forever for me. And again, this is not something I'm hate panning. I'm not in love with it. So yeah, I am working on this. I got a lot of use on it in the last month, but I'm ready for it to be gone. Next, we have my Rare Beauty blush in the shade Love, and unfortunately, I only used this 3 times in the last month, which I'm trying to finish this, so I gotta step my game up. I don't really know why I wasn't reaching for this. I think I have been prioritizing my Lunar Beauty blush palette that I rolled into another project over this. So hopefully once that's knocked out, I will prioritize more on this one. I really like it, and I do think I can finish it this year. I just didn't reach for it this month, and that's okay. Next up, again, this is a pretty disappointing update. I had my last Super Shock that needs pan on it. This is the Forever Bewitching shade from the Hocus Pocus collaboration. It's a beautiful purple color. As you can probably tell, I did not use this once. This has never been used, and I did not use it in the last month. I've just been using other things. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with eyeshadow products in my project pans, and I think my progress on my shadows are going to be a little bit slower going forward because I was starting to feel overwhelmed and I felt like I wasn't using stuff that wasn't in projects, which I don't like doing. I like to have a balance. And so I'm kind of, this sounds ridiculous, but on certain days of the week, I can choose to use whatever I want. And if I want to use a project pan item, I can. If not, these are my like designated days for using kind of my non-project pan items, just to give myself a bit of structure, I guess. It sounds ridiculous as I'm saying it, but yeah, so Mondays and Wednesdays are my use whatever you want day, and as well as one day in the weekend I will use whatever I want. So I'm trying to have a little bit more balance in that regard. So this just didn't get touched. Hopefully I can get a few uses on it in the next month. And finally, we have my rotational item. This is my Lisa Eldridge lipstick in Rose Official is what I'm wearing today. It's a really nice sheer rose color. Really, really pretty. Love the sheer formula. I use this 5 times, and if I haven't said it already, this item I'm basically going through, rotating through my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks and having a goal of using it 5 times. Regardless of the amount of times I use it, I will roll a new one in each update just to keep it fresh and interesting, especially with these more long haul items that I already talked about. So happy I was able to get 5 uses in this. It was perfect for the month of February. And yeah, I just love the Lisa Eldridge formula. If I could only have one lipstick formula, it would be hers. I think they are worth the price and just really, really great. And so obviously the only thing I'm rolling out is my Lisa Eldridge lipstick, so I will tell you what lipstick I am rolling in its place. And I chose Velvet Blush this month, which is just a, as the name suggests, like a blushy pink, but it's not too pink. I'm not like the biggest pink fan. That's why I like Rose Official. It's just got a little bit more nuance to it. This one is a little bit of a pinky blushy berry, I guess, and I really, really enjoy it. So this one is going to be a goal of 5 uses, and I'm sure I can do that in the next month. I have also rolled in one of my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks into one of my Project Pan updates that just went up. That one I'm trying to use a significant portion of the bullet, and so this one does not kind of conflict with that shade. It's quite different. So I think I've got this one, and then Cookie that I'm working on in my roll-in project pan, and then the Lisa Eldridge one, I think, yeah, I rolled in a fair in that project pan. So between those 3, I've got a good range of lip colors, so I'm excited to work on this. Alright, so that is everything I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how your project is going down below. I'm so behind on watching videos. I've got like 80 videos in my watch later list, and I'm like stressing out about it. Anyway, I'm going to be watching your videos. If I haven't commented on them, I'm making my way through them. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!